Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep. Today we're going to talk about winterizing your trailers. Now the idea of winterizing is to make sure that your plumbing system doesn't freeze. It can do a lot of damage if water is still in the system, and it'll break whatever it can break. Now we usually use the water pump to pump the antifreeze through the system, and you need a kit which you can also get from us, and that's this here. That's the winterizing kit that you add to your pump. Now let's take a look at a water pump with a kit already installed. One more thing before we go forward, you need to put your hot water tank on bypass, and it's either a 3-valve system or it's a 2-valve system. You can see that on another video on this same website. Okay, let's go to the pump. Now your pump is here. You've got to find it inside one of your cabinets. It's the main purpose is to pump water into your system from your freshwater tank, and that's currently what this is doing. It's taking water from the freshwater tank through a granular filter into the pump and into the whole system. Later in the fall, once you've bypassed your hot water tank, you're going to turn this valve in this direction, and now your pump is actually going to be pulling from the end of this hose. Okay, this hose goes into a jug of antifreeze. You turn your pump on, pressurizes your plumbing, and you're going to start turning one tap on at a time till you see pink. And that basically covers winterizing. Until next time, folks, happy trails.